Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Tahoe 4-wheel drive RST in black. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and monitoring, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 6,000 miles on the odometer, 10.2-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, second row heated seats, rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10086A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.